In the realm of the music industry, few names resonate with as much power and influence as Taylor Swift. She's not just a singer-songwriter, she's a force of nature, captivating audiences with her unparalleled talent and magnetic stage presence. Swift's journey from a small-town girl with big dreams to a global superstar is nothing short of extraordinary, and her rise to fame is a testament to her relentless dedication and boundless creativity. Born on December 13, 1989, in the quaint town of West Reading, Pennsylvania, Taylor Swift showed promise as a musician from a young age. Her love for music was evident, and she began honing her craft with fervor, mastering the guitar and pouring her heart into her songwriting. Swift's early years were steeped in the traditions of country music, a genre she embraced with gusto. But it wasn't long before her talent outgrew the confines of Nashville, and she set her sights on conquering the mainstream music scene. With her debut album in 2006, Taylor Swift burst onto the music scene like a comet, dazzling listeners with her raw emotion and lyrical prowess. Songs like Tim McGraw and Teardrops on My Guitar struck a chord with audiences worldwide, earning Swift critical acclaim and a devoted fan base. But it was her sophomore album, Fearless, released in 2008, that catapulted her to superstardom. The record-breaking success of singles like Love Story and You Belong With Me cemented Swift's status as a musical powerhouse, and she hasn't looked back since. Since then, Taylor Swift has amassed an impressive array of accolades and achievements. With 4 Grammy Awards, 40 American Music Awards, 25 Billboard Music Awards, and 13 Grammys to her name, she stands as one of the most decorated artists in history. But Swift's success isn't limited to her musical endeavors. She's also a savvy businesswoman and entrepreneur. Swift's financial empire extends far beyond album sales and concert tours. She's forged lucrative partnerships with major brands like Toyota, American Express, and Apple Music, leveraging her massive social media following to endorse products and services. In 2019, she topped Forbes' list as the highest-earning celebrity in the world, raking in an astonishing $180 million in a single year. Today, she ranks among the wealthiest individuals in the music industry, with an estimated net worth of $740 million. But Taylor Swift's wealth isn't just a result of her business acumen, it's also a reflection of her keen eye for investments. The singer-songwriter has amassed an impressive portfolio of real estate properties across the United States, from luxurious apartments in Nashville to sprawling mansions in Beverly Hills and New York City. Each property is a testament to Swift's refined taste and appreciation for the finer things in life. In addition to her real estate ventures, Taylor Swift is also an avid collector of luxury cars. Her garage boasts an impressive lineup of vehicles, including the Mercedes, Maybach, Porsche 911, Cadillac Escalade, Toyota Sequoia, and the Hummer H2. And when it comes to travel, Swift spares no expense, owning her own private jet, a Falcon 900 LX for vacations and personal trips. But perhaps the most admirable aspect of Taylor Swift's wealth is her commitment to philanthropy. Throughout her career, she's made significant contributions to various charitable causes, from donating books to public libraries to supporting schools and disaster relief efforts. In 2020 alone, she donated $1 million to aid tornado victims in Tennessee, showcasing her compassion and generosity. In essence, Taylor Swift's life is a testament to the power of talent, hard work, and perseverance. From her humble beginnings in Pennsylvania to her status as a global icon, she's proven that with passion and dedication, anything is possible. So as we marvel at the grandeur of Taylor's mansions and the luxury of her lifestyle, let's also remember the generosity and kindness that define her character. Truly, Taylor Swift is not just a music superstar, she's an inspiration to us all.